Hi, I'm Carolyn from Circle Furniture here in Pembroke, and I'm here to tell you about custom upholstery. A lot of people don't understand what custom upholstery is, and I'm here to explain what it is. There's different types of custom upholstery, there's different cost levels to custom upholstery, and there's also delivery expectations of custom upholstery. So today we're going to go through the cost and questions for you to make your decision on what type of custom upholstery suits your budget. So the first type of custom upholstery we will say is like a level 1. And that's basically when you go in the store and they'll say, you can get this sofa in 5 different colors. So you're kind of customizing your color. This allows you a lot of times to buy at a lower price point and also to get your furniture more quickly because it's most likely stocked in a warehouse and ready to ship out that day. So now we're moving up the custom ladder. So the next level would be you have a lot more choices for your custom fabric. You may go into a store and see a whole wall full of fabrics that you can choose from. And that gives you a little bit more customization other than just 5 colors, same fabric. And this could be plaids, stripes, florals, velvets, cottons, chenilles. It allows you to customize your room a little bit more to your taste. When you decide to customize at this level, the cost does go up more than an entry-level customization, and it also takes longer for the manufacturer to deliver the product. So here at Circle Furniture, we have all the levels of customization. What we do best here is the next level, and the next level is really designing a piece that reflects you, maybe reflects a look that you've seen in one of the national magazines. It is really getting down to all the little details. It could be custom color on the welt of the pillow. It could be nail heads on the bottom of your piece. It could be down to the type of cushion that you're going to have. It could be the length of the sofa or the chair. All these things can be customized. You could even bring your own fabric to Circle Furniture and we will put that on the piece that you fell in love with. So of course this costs more. Whenever you customize down to nail heads, to custom welt, it's almost like buying a car. You want the heated seats, you want the defog mirrors. It's all those little upcharges that add things up. Doesn't necessarily mean it's an unattainable price point for your budget, but it is a lot more money than just picking something off the floor that comes in 5 colors. But the end result is always well worth what you paid. If you like this video and like to see more videos like this, please click and subscribe.